Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Mitrulara, Namaskaram. Deviyor Sajno. This is 1 by 12 Mandi sir speaking. At the outset, Mandi sir would like to place on record wholehearted thanks to JNTU School of Management, Hyderabad for giving this opportunity, for giving this golden opportunity to meet you all. The theme for this session is teaching and learning through real-time cases. Teaching and also learning, both the things are involved, and the speciality is this session is more about real-time cases. Real-time cases. And the cases are student startups. The real-time cases are here student startups. The theme for the session, again, let me repeat, teaching and learning through real-time cases, student startups. I had the opportunity of looking at the schedule for this faculty development program by JNTU. Various faculty have brought in different cases to look at and understand different subjects. A marketing, a OB, and a HR, an ERP, a supply chain. Each of the faculty brought a different case to understand a different subject. The variation, the difference of this session is that in one single real-time case, a student startup, it's possible to understand many subjects simultaneously and concurrently. This we call it as interdisciplinary way of or integrated way of looking at and understanding the case. It's not only interdisciplinary, but also it is holistic. What do you mean by holistic? Holistic is not interdisciplinary. It is head, hand, and heart of the student. Being simultaneously being involved in the learning and teaching is called holism. Holism. So interdisciplinary and holism both can be achieved through one single case, one real-time case by a student, and that to a student startup. Mandi sir is known in the country for practicing student startups methodology of teaching. Student startups as a pedagogy of teaching for the last 15 years. There are hundreds of student startups are being used as a learning management and also supply chain operations and other kind of a industry learning subjects and a nationally reputed institution by Dr. Mandi sir. So this session would like to bring in the experience and experimentation of using live case student startups for best learning possibility. The session is set with twin objectives. Twin objectives. Number one, inventing the best teaching and learning method. The idea is to invent a best teaching and learning method. There are particular features for the best teaching method to call it as a learning method to call it. There are set of features. Number two, the second objective is method as a solution. Method as a solution. Method of learning, method of teaching as a solution to mitigate the problems of the challenges of higher education. They are not only the present but also future. Method is a solution. This is something novel. Actually, the method can be one of the best ways to tackle the challenges, the present and future challenges of higher education. The method is authored by the faculty members. It is not being authored by somebody else. Completely, the method is in the hands of the faculty members, the professors. That is the reason complete the possibility, the power of mitigating these challenges is in the hands of faculty. And there are best features which are being looked at. 1 by 12 Mandi sir, Ek Batta Bara Mandi sir, would like to bring to your kind notice, the kind notice of all the faculty of higher education, that the kind of cases which are being used has got a lot of implications for teaching and learning. The type of cases which are being used have got lot of implications for teaching and learning in higher education, and they can make all the difference. This is an important point. The type which Mandi sir would like to bring here is that whether a case is real or unreal matters most. Real or unreal case matters most. In other way, it can also be mentioned that cases can be either live or dead cases, jinda cases or murda cases. If the students are taught with the live cases and also dead cases, we can see the difference of their learning, and not only just for the learning but also for the teaching, not only for the teaching and learning, for the way the students will emerge over a period of time. This is an important contribution of 1 by 12 Mandi sir in trying to bring the attention of the faculty towards live cases and real cases rather than unreal cases or dead cases. If case method need to be considered as best teaching and learning, it must meet these minimum features and characteristics. This Panchashila is important. Case study has to be audited against these 5 principles. And these principles are practicality. The learning method need to be practical. There is no need to mention more about practical learning. Number 2, productive, utpadakata. The method should not be non-productive or unproductive. As a management faculty, all of you can understand what do you mean by productive method. Third, it should be personal. Learning is personal, student learning. It must happen to the student, by the student, for the student. Whether the case method is able to create these personal things, personal learning happens or not. Watch it and audit the case method against this feature also. Fourth, propriety, ownership. The method which is being used should be owned by the student. Wow. This is fourth feature or characteristics of best teaching and learning. Ownership, swamyata. Fifth, valuable. There should be value, and value can be non-cash and also cash. Whether case will give any value to the student, is it only non-cash or cash to be looked at. When you look at these 5 principles, a typical unreal case, a typical dead case cannot meet any of these 5 features, whereas a live case, a real case will surely meet all these features. This is what 1 by 12 Mandi sir try to propose to higher education faculty all across the country. This need to be recognized and realized. Here there are 2 photographs where students are showing something very proudly and very smilingly, an assignment which they have done it, and it is real-time assignment which they have done it. You can look at it. There is a document, especially it is a legal document, and this legal document is done by the students in real legal way. It's not a unreal kind of thing. It is they themselves have done it. They signed it before legal officers, and that is being shown. And this is done as real-time assignment, and this is a real-time case. Friends, this is an assignment for an MBA students where they have to register a partnership firm to understand what is an entity, what is an organization, what is the form of an organization, sole trader, proprietor, limited liability partnership firm, and they created, and they are the partners in this firm, and they are showing it, and this is an example of real-time assignment. Mandi sir would like to bring in the magic and the mantra of this kind of an assignment, how different it is compared to an unreal case which is being discussed. And we can see more of this kind of examples and cases as we go by. Here is a page from a Facebook of one student now working with top consulting firm as a management consultant. And this gentleman started a company called Exponential Career Campus. And this basically an entity which is created as part of regular MBA curriculum learning. And student got almost 30 credits out of 120 credits for starting this startup, and ये खड़े करने के लिए 30 credit out of 120 credit, almost is 1/4 of the, 20% of the credits are being assigned for the startup part of the course. And today the student is working with top class consulting company and sends to the faculty saying that my company is still working, and my student who got 13th rank in the All India GATE exam, and that is being submitted to and shared with the faculty. So this kind of a real-time cases impact is very different, and the student is getting ready to resign from the top class management consulting company only to carry forward his exponential career campus. The names are not being revealed, the company name is also not being revealed, but this is a real case. Mandi sir would like to bring the kind attention of this higher education faculty. When a student of an MBA student starts an exponential career campus, what happens to him? What kind of learning happens to? What kind of teaching impact can be there? What the teachers will learn from him? What the students will learn from this particular case? It's an amazing kind of an experience to be looked in. In the full session, Mandi sir will bring in more details about these cases. Request you to see more videos and think about it. Come with more questions to the Mandi sir sessions in the afternoon. This is again a Facebook page which is being copied. His name is Paresh Masade. He is founder and also managing director, CEO of a company called Huawei. Go to Facebook and see it. This boy started his company when he was a student, and he learnt his MBA lessons through a real-time company, not a dead case. And what kind of learning it can happen? Look at the number of employees in his own company. Today, he runs a company called Huawei, which provides online IT-related solutions for alumni-related website, alumni-related issues. He solves it for the colleges. He's one of the hot upcoming entrepreneurs in the startup world. Paresh Masade. Paresh Masade, 12 years back, he was taking a session along with the faculty as an entrepreneur, the faculty development program. The boy who was standing extreme left of the photograph is Paresh Masade. Today he is a Sharaf. He is Malik. He is boss. And look at the way how we sat today. And Mandi sir is there with his student as it is. So real-time cases learning is absolutely different. And how to do that, what are the steps in it, what kind of precautions have to be taken will be the subject matter for this today's session. Again, this is a partnership deed done by Rahul Gugalia of Indian Gas Company Limited, Nagpur based a company. Look at the boy today with the families, okay? And he has done it long back. So it is around 2007 this boy has done it. And again, this is a real-time case. And he became an entrepreneur. So there is a transformation with this real-time cases done by the student called student startups. That is subject matter for this today's session. This method of startups, this method called student startups, which is being propagated by, which is campaigned by AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. Look at 2019, there is a document, in the middle of it, there is a photograph. And AICTE is asking you to go for the real-time cases, not only just dead cases. Bhut cases, past cases, but also Vartaman cases. Abhi kya chal raha hai, and how we can make students to start startups. Cashify, Bolo India, Matic Network, Kisan Kirana, Zaika Ka Tadka. Zaika Ka Tadka is an online cooking company by Apeksha. Go there and see it. Huge company today. And Trail, these are also video company. So the real-time companies experience will make students not only good employees, but also great entrepreneurs. Many more companies. Student startup method of learning can produce many more companies. Magenta, Square Ads, Huawei, Quifers, Frikamal, Cropfield, Lalten. These are all companies by students. This will be the subject matter, how to make real-time cases, student startups, how we can embed student startups part of regular curriculum can be discussed with these instruments. Arise and Awake, a book by Rashmi Bansal, Startup Policy 2019 and 16, The Lean Startup by Eric Rice. These will help you to install and embed real-time cases as part of your regular teaching and learning process. You are requested to see more videos by visiting YouTube channel of 1/12 Mandi Sir. Just type 1/12 Mandi Sir in YouTube. You'll get a channel and you can see number of videos available. Unless you see number of videos, you can't understand what Mandi Sir is discussing. 1/12 Mandi Sir. 1/12 Mandi Sir YouTube channel. Just visit it and also subscribe to it. At the end of the session, you will be able to realize that we can make students self-reliant and self-respect of the students can be increased. Atma Gaurav and Atma Nirbharta, Swavalamban can be created. Learning expenses are made in learning, through learning and for learning is the way startups can be used as real-time cases. That's the greatness of this method. Visit 1/12 Mandi Sir YouTube channel again. Go to 1/12 Mandi Sir and subscribe to it. Let us see in the evening 3 o'clock. Ladies and gentlemen, बेच के सीखो, सिखाई बेच के सीखो. पढ़ाई की खर्चा, पढ़ाई में पढ़ाई से पढ़ाई के लिए निकालना. చదువు ఖర్చు చదువులోనే, చదువుతోనే, చదువుతూనే. చదువు ఖర్చు చదువులోనే, చదువుతోనే, చదువుతూనే. थियाली. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾचा ಖರ್ಚ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣमध्ये ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕರಿता ಶಿಕ್ಷಣसाठी ಕಮ್ವಾ. ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಖರ್ಚನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿಂದೇ ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಬೇಕು. पढ़ाई की खर्चा पढ़ाई में पढ़ाई से पढ़ाई के लिए निकालना. This is called real time live cases as learning method, and that is student startups. Let us meet in the evening.